Greetings, my dear friends. If today's joke gave you a chuckle, don't forget to subscribe. It's free, and it'll make us even closer as friends. Hank parked his Harley at a scenic overlook. Perfect spot for romance, he declared. Doris opened the picnic basket. Romance? You packed jerky, sardines, and one flat soda. That's survival food, Hank, not love. Hank grinned, chewing jerky. Protein builds muscle. Doris shook her head. At your age, fiber builds survival. Just then, a squirrel darted out, grabbed a piece of jerky, and sprinted up a tree. Vermin, Hank roared, waving his helmet. Doris calmly cracked open the soda. Relax, Hank. That squirrel has more hair than you anyway. Hank pouted. I planned this picnic for weeks. Doris smirked. If you call for getting the blanket and packing sardines planning, then yes, it shows. The 6th grade science teacher, Mrs. Parks, asked her class, which human body part increases to 10 times its size when stimulated? The room went silent. No one answered. Suddenly, little Mary stood up and shouted, You shouldn't be asking 6th graders a question like that. I'm going to tell my parents, and they'll tell the principal, and you'll get fired. Mrs. Parks ignored her outburst and calmly repeated the question. Which body part increases to 10 times its size when stimulated? Mary huffed and whispered loudly to her classmates, Oh, she's so getting in trouble. Finally, Billy stood up, looked around nervously, and said, The body part that increases to 10 times its size when stimulated is the pupil of the eye. Mrs. Parks smiled. Very good, Billy. Then she turned to Mary and said, As for you, young lady, I have 3 things to say. You have a dirty mind. You clearly didn't do your homework. And one day, you are going to be very, very disappointed.